Here's how to log into your Riyad Bank account on a new trusted device. Less than 1 minute, and let me show you how to do it. Once you open your Riyad Bank app, just enter your username that you created or your IGAMA number and your password. Once you tap it, just tap on login. Now they ask, do you want to trust this device? Your device name will appear on your screen like this, and if yes, tap on yes, trust it. And after that, bank will call you to approve your login request, and once you approve it, they will send you the OTP. Once you receive the OTP, just start tapping it, and once you tap it, boom, you are successfully logged into your Riyad Bank account. You can scroll to check all your personal information. That is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Saudi video like this. See you in the next one.